Yo, 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 yo. What's good with y'all? Good with y'all. What's good with y'all? Wonderful Wednesday, top of the morning. Top of the morning. Top of the morning, y'all. Low key. What's good, my boy? What's good, my boy? My boy Chris. What's the word, man? What's the word, man? Yo, 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 yo. Wonderful Wednesday. Wonderful Wednesday. Beautiful day today. Top of the morning. How we feeling today, y'all? How are we feeling today, y'all? Okay. We got FOMC today. That's really it. We got FOMC today. We got CPI tomorrow. Friday kind of eh. It's orange for the news. I mean, you know. Today, low key, I'm probably gonna trade demo. Trains going by left and right. So we got hella downtime fixing the snack. Quick grab this morning. Facts. Hell yeah. That's what's up, bro. Oh, that makes sense. Cause like when the trains when the trains are actually like occupying the railroads and shit, y'all aren't working and shit. That makes sense. Okay. But yeah, no, I might trade demo. I might trade demo this New York session and maybe if I feel like it, trade Asia on my I mean Asia session. That's if I feel like it, y'all. We have to clear up out the way so they get by. Then we can proceed. Definitely gonna start demo this morning. Hell yeah, bro. My gosh, bro. What is this Buford chatting to me about in Discord, bro? Holy smokes, dude. Yeah, how much longer we got to that 9:30 bell? What time is it? And we got about a minute, y'all. We got about a minute, y'all. We got about a minute. Oh shit. 9:30 open. At 9:30 bell hitting, y'all. Let's see what the market got in store for our emotional well-being today. Let's see what it got in store for our emotional well-being today, y'all. Low key. I'm trying to see some. Bro, I'm saying, bro, like, what is he chatting about, bro? I don't know, bro. I'm gonna just leave him alone, bro. I'm gonna leave bro alone, bro. It's whatever, bro. Low key, y'all, we do got this hourly. What is this? Asia? Yeah, Asia high right here. Tuesday Asia high. We got a London low right here. We got Asia low. Then we have yesterday's New York low. So I mean, we do got hella rest and sell side liquidity, high time frame sell side liquidity available. I just know that market can be kind of choppy when there's FOMC later. You know what I mean? Whoops. Market can be choppy. Manipulated higher into that gap right there. Let's see what we do. We got a 15-minute gap right here. Let's see. Damn, low-key price came up into this 5-minute gap. I didn't know that's what this was. In the wise words of Theo's Fufu Guru. Hey, yo. I'm weak, bro. The Fufu Guru. Nah, that's funny, bro. That's funny. Low key, what bias y'all speculating today, guy? What bias y'all speculating today? I'm low key looking shorts, bro. I ain't gonna lie, this whole last about week and a half, dog, just been straight. Damn. Sheesh. We just been sheesh, dog. As I said yesterday, bro, it's so crazy seeing Nasdaq all the way back down to 27K, bro. It feels like yesterday we just hit 30K, bro. All-time highs, bro. Like that junk crazy. Low key, let me see something. Where's 8:30 open? Oh, it's all the way down here. Come here, baby boy. Come here. We did open lower into 8:30 open. Now we're kind of, as I say, I'm just trying to see what market's doing right now. Just trying to see what market is doing right now. Low key, let me see something. Is there a... That is the new day open gap. Holy shit. Well, I was like, hey, yo. I was like, bro, where's the new day open gap, bro? This is the new day open gap, yo. Nah, that's wicked, bro. Holy shit. Holy shit, y'all. Okay, well. um, that is new day open gap. That is new day open gap, bro. Boy, what you doing? Making a ruckus. We got an inverse for value gap right here. See if price runs straight through it to go lower. Mm. Cause it's like during Asia session, we didn't. I wish I still had those previous high time frame sell side liquidity marked out, but I don't think we took out any new high time frame liquidity. Mm. We ran straight through that inverse for a value gap. We're also showing respect to this 936 and then inversing to the downside. But we do see this 1 minute order block. Kind of want to see how price plays off of this to see what our direction is. Kind of want to see what's about to go down. Yeah, low key, this open is this open is buns, dog. I ain't gonna lie. This open is buns. The first 10 minutes has been slop. And it's also kind of like weird seeing like we have New Day open gap right here being so small. Like usually New Day open gap gives market somewhat of a direction right off of New York open. You know what I mean? So it's like, but we don't really have that today. Hmm. Let me see something. That's some minor buy side liquidity there. And then we have all the rest of these lows down here. LR, low resistance. That's why I'm speculating shorts, bro. We have all this low resistance liquidity down here, bro. It would be kind of shocking to me to see price hunt buy side, if anything. I'm so weak, bro. How does this girl live in Texas, bro, and not know Spanish? Literally all I said was Buenos dias, bro. How the hell you don't know what that means, bro? that just that just irritated my soul, bro. How you live in Texas out of all places? The most the most concentrated Hispanic place in the United States, other than probably what, California, bro, and you don't know Spanish, dog? You don't know Buenos dias, bro? Bro, get out of here, bro. I don't even want to talk to her no more. That shit crazy, dog. Oh my gosh. Bro, stop biting me, fool. My damn cat, bro. My cat is an infant, like it's a baby, bro. Its teeth are like screws, bro. Like you ever like accidentally like scraped your like cut your skin with the end of like a screw, like a screw that you put on a wall, bro. And I'm not talking about a nail. I'm talking about a screw that you need like a Phillips head screwdriver for that bitch. That's what it feel like, bro. It's like screws in this little dude's mouth, bro. And they be trying to bite on me and shit. I'm like, bro, I'm gonna really take my nail filer and start getting up in there and shaving them hoes down, dog. There's gonna be nubs in there, dog. I'm tired of that shit. No cap. Gonna be straight nubs, bro. Oh my gosh. All right, cool. So we see price finna take out this 819, 27819. Price finna take out this 27819. We tap back into this 5-minute order block. And then show rejection off of that. Now if we're gonna do any, oh, and we close below this 1-minute order block. So now I want to see a confirmation of continuation, see a pullback into for value gap of some sort, and then I'll probably take a short from there down to I'll probably say down to 276640, and then take partials on the way. Bro, you know what be blowing me, y'all? Bro, women who don't got shit to talk about except asking a nigga what you doing, bro. Why you wanna know what I'm doing so bad, bro? Why you wanna know what I'm doing so bad? These are the type of hoes that have cameras set up around your house, bro. when you going, bro, hey, don't ever get with no woman that's like that, bro. In the beginning, bro, she the type that have hidden cameras set up around your shit. No cap. No cap. You get up in the middle of the night to go use the bathroom. Mind you, she in a deep sleep, coma sleep. I'm talking about in the middle of the most adventurous, action-packed dream she's ever had in her life. As soon as you remove the covers from off of you to step foot to the ground and walk your way to the bed, where you going? Babe, where you going? What the hell, bro? Get off my dick, bro. Like, dog, that should be blowing me. Like, hoes don't be got nothing to talk about, nothing good to talk about. They just be yapping, bro. What you doing? What you doing? 5 minutes later, hey, what's good? What you doing? Oh my god. I'm doing the same thing I was doing 5 minutes ago. I just told you what I'm doing. Like, yo, that should be annoying, bro. Y'all see we continuing lower. Y'all see we continuing lower. As I say, I low-key want to see a pullback of some sort into an imbalance. But I should be paying attention to my left as well to see what we could potentially reverse off of. We got a 5-minute gap down here. Do we have any on the 15-minute? We got this 15-minute gap right here. Type. It's another 15-minute gap right here, but I'm gonna take a short right here, y'all. I'm gonna low-key take a short right here. I'm gonna low-key take a short right here. We came back up into this gap. We came back up into this gap. I'm gonna have my stop loss right above the second candle of that 3-candle formation, and I'm gonna take my TP down to this 27640. Down to this 27640. I think I'm gonna go Low key, I'm gonna go break even. I'm gonna go break even at this 1 minute gap. Hold on, let me put high time frame, sell side, liquidity. Oh, high time frame, sell side, liquidity. There we go. Bow. Now I'm about to open up my journal. Damn, I didn't even have my journal open, y'all. I'm selling. I'm selling, y'all. Today is 7/29. Trading MNQ, NY, New York session, market, MNQ. Direction, we took shorts. High time frame draw on liquidity. Hold on, let me do this. During trade. We hit break even, y'all. We hit that break even. We hit that break even ski. Model that I traded, fair value gap entry model. Entry price 27,743, 27,743, 50, 27,797, 27. Oh shit, damn, 20. Damn. Oh my gosh, I'm all over the place. 27,797.25. 0.2725 risk. Oh wait, my take profit is at 27,640. 27,640.75. Risking, well, I de-risked, but just for the sake of seeing it, 435. I mean 535, my fault. 535. 535. Expected RR 1.92 to 1. Did we reach high time frame draw on liquidity? Yes. Did I wait for confirmation? Yes. Did I follow my trading plan to go short? Yes. And take a fair value gap entry model? Yes. Was I patient? Yes. Was this impulsive? Nah. We might get break even though. Hell yeah. That's what I'm saying, chat. It was that 1 minute gap. I don't know. It was something that told me. It was something that told me price will reverse from that 1 minute gap. Something literally in my brain, my noodles told me price would have a pullback from that 1 minute gap. That's crazy. I ended up going break even. Did I end in profit? I mean, $12 is $12. $12 is $12. Hey, I'm not mad, bro. I'm not mad, bro. I'm not mad, bro. $12 is $12. All right, now I'm about to go. Now I'm about to take y'all with me to my journal. On my emotions check, I was feeling low-key calm. I wouldn't say I was feeling confident, but I wasn't like in doubt, or I guess, and what's the opposite of confident? What is the opposite of confidence? Bro, I said, what is the opposite of confidence? Why is it giving me the definition of confidence, bro? I'm about to smack Siri across the face, bro. Siri, you know what? Google gonna get me right, bro. Google gonna get me right, bro. What is the opposite of confidence? Oh my gosh, bro. Okay, you know what? It did the same thing. Y'all know what I'm talking about, though. Y'all know what I'm talking about, though, bro. Y'all know what I'm talking about, bro. I don't got the word, but I'm like, nah, we gotta figure it out, Chet. I can't leave this unresolved, bro. Like doubt, I wasn't doubtful. I wasn't doubtful. You know, yeah. That's the word. That I think that's the word. Doubtful. Fuck it, bro. I was calm. I wasn't necessarily confident, but I wasn't doubtful either. Right? I wasn't doubtful either. I wasn't doubtful either. I guess that really just sums it up. No. Why was this an A plus trade? For me, this was an A plus trade because we see price open lower than higher. Okay, that's cool. That's, you know what I'm saying, market open doing what it's doing. Then we come back down. Mind you, my bias for the day is already shorts, right? We come down and we completely run through this inverse fair value gap while inversing this 933 to the downside, right? Okay, boom. Now we start to consolidate a little bit, bouncing up and down between this inverse fair value gap and this 1 minute order block, right? So I'm like, okay, boom. So I want to wait to see where market is going to actually tell us where it's going. Now we see price come up into this 5 minute fair value gap. This one right here, this 810 fair value gap. We see price wick the lower quadrant of that gap, which is and also come up into this 936 gap. Then we see a massive rejection wick right here. So then we start to see some displacement to the downside, right? So I'm like, all right, boom. So after this 946 candle, we completely run through and close below this 931 order block, right? Then we start to see price continue lower. We take out this hourly sell side liquidity. I'm like, okay, boom. So maybe price wants to continue lower, and if we're gonna do that, I want to wait for price to come back up into an imbalance so I can take my fair value gap entry model trade and go short down to this high time frame sell side liquidity. What do we get? We get that pullback into this 951 gap. I was looking on my phone. I low-key missed the shit. I low-key missed it. I ain't gonna lie. I low-key missed it. But I see that we have this pullback into this gap. I'm like, okay, boom. We got that retracement. We got that pullback. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna enter here, have my stop loss set above the second candle of this 3 candle formation. We got that 1, 2, 3. I set my stop loss right here. Set my stop loss right here. And then I have my take profit down here. And I played it smart. I was like, you know what? Let me look to my left just because I know what day it is. Today is FOMC. We could do anything. So I'm like, okay, bet. So let me look to my left. Let me see where I can either take partials or where I could go break even. We were already starting to like continue lower fairly quickly while I was looking for my area to take partials. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna just go break even at this fair value gap. Matter of fact, there was a volume imbalance right here too. So pretty much at that volume imbalance right there, what do we get? we get that pullback. We get that price reverses from that area. So I'm like, shit. We de-risked. We had an A+ setup low key. So I'm good. I'm cool with it. I'm cool with it. I ain't gonna lie. My reason for shorts. Damn, I didn't my daily bias. My reason for that. I didn't even do this. Hold on. Let's go back and look. Let's go back and look. Let me take off my drawings. My reason for shorts is because, first of all, for the past week and a half, I say, as I said earlier, bro, we've been straight shitting the bed, fam. Like, just y'all, it's clear as day, bro. The proof is in the pudding. You see what I'm saying? So it's like, well, I'm going based off of weekly market structure. You know what I'm saying? The past few days of market structure, we've been bearish the entire time, right? But aside from that, we also see a rejection from during Asia session off of this order block. Then you see price we come up, but we also, I mean, see, it's like I didn't even really do my high time frame analysis detail through detail, but I mean, it's weird because we see a high time frame inversion to the upside actually. But as I say, I feel like I'd be wrong to just completely ignore everything that I see from here to up here and try to go longs, bro. Like that would, I'd be doing myself a disservice, bro. You feel me? So really it was just previous day market structures, all that. So I really based my narrative off of this past week and a half of price action, high time frame price action. You feel me? Yeah, y'all. So what I'm gonna do is get rid of this. Hold on. I'm gonna get rid of this real quick so I can actually see what I'm looking at. So I could take my screenshot and put it in here. So boom, we have this. We got this. And I'm gonna do it like these. I mean, now we can take all that off and come back to how we had it. There we go. Now, I'm gonna paste that there. Paste that there. I'm gonna low-key crop this a little bit. And like these. And like these. Yeah, there we go. Now, boom. What high time frame draws on liquidity was targeted? We targeted this. What was this? I mean, it wasn't. It was London low. It was London low. All right, bet. Yeah. It was today's London low. So today's London low, and that was 27.81975, 1975. That was our target. Fuck, I gotta go over this all over again. Why was this the A+ trade? Oh, low-key, I gotta do my screenshots for this too. All right, so we open higher, right? I'm gonna do it like step by step. I'm gonna do it like step by step and do it. So we inverse to the downside. I mean, we open lower, then we come up, and then show inversion to the downside. So boom, we open lower, then come up to reverse back to the downside. Then price gives us a bearish inversion. Damn, a bearish inversion, right? After consolidating inside, after retesting and consolidating inside of this 1 minute order block, we see price come up to this 1 minute fair value gap, 936, right? Yeah, 936. I'm gonna screenshot this. Screenshot that, and then after retesting and consolidating inside of 1 minute order block, we see a respect to 936 fair value gap with continuation lower, bro. Continuation lower. There we go. Now, damn, that's crazy, y'all. It's low-key hot as shit in here. I ain't gonna lie. Damn. Hey, I think we about to come down to this. Hold on, let me show y'all real quick. I think we about to come down to this sell side liquidity I was targeting. This 27,640. I think we about to come down to there. I think we about to come down to there, chat. I think we about to come down to there, chat. There we go. Screen was tweaking. Hold on, let's see. I kind of wanted to see this. I kind of wanted to see this. That's so crazy, bro. That's so crazy, bro. I mean, this shit happens though, bro. You get stopped out just for trade to come or trade to play out, bro. It happens, bro. It happens to the best of us, bro. Right there. We right there. Barely wicked that hoe. Barely wicked it, bro. But hey, trade would have played out. Trade would have played out low key if we had a better entry and a better stop loss place. I ain't gonna lie, cause it's like if I would have like, damn, and it's like it sucks that I'm looking at it through hindsight, but if I would have took my entry in this lower quadrant, matter of fact, let me take that off. If I would have took my entry or have my entry placed in this lower quadrant, feel me, on some like that, I probably still would have had my stop loss at the second candle of the 3-candle formation. So I mean, either way, I would have got stopped out because I would have been risking even less money or less capital with my stop loss here, opposed to having it all the way at this high up here. Like that's an $800. That's way more than my max risk, right? So I mean, either way, I would have got stopped out. Like realistic hypothetical trade or not, you know. But Where was we at? What was we just doing? Oh yeah, my journal. All right, we back to my journal. So after retesting and consolidating, which we see here, right? We come up to this 936 for value gap and we come down showing continuation lower. Now I'm like, okay, bet. we run through this order block and come down, taking out 27819. There we go. We run through and close below. Was that 930? That was 931. And close below 931 order block and take out 27819. And take out 27819. 81975. High time frame sell side liquidity. And then what do we see? Price continue lower, tapping into this imbalance right here. And then that's where I take my entry. And then that's where we take my entry. After I say like this: price gives us confirmation of continuation. Confirmatino. Confirmatino. Oh, weak, bro. I can't spell for shit. Confirmation of continuation, then pulls back into 1 minute bearish imbalance, which is where I end up taking my entry. So boom. We had our A plus trade. We had our A plus trade right here, y'all. Low key, I don't know. I think I might just went and done it today. I don't know if I'm gonna trade Asia today. I might just went and done it, bro. I ain't gonna overdo it. I ain't gonna overstep my boundaries. I mean, I'm a one and done it with the demo today. As I say, bro, $12 is $12. We ended in $12 in profit, bro. So I ain't mad, bro. We implemented good de-risking habits. Good de-risking habits, went break even. It's so crazy, bro. I don't, bro, as I say, bro, I literally saw that 1 minute for value gap with that little imbalance, bro. I was like, let me set my break even here. Why did we reverse from that imbalance, bro? That shit crazy, dog. That shit is crazy. That shit is crazy, bro. The discretion getting too accurate, bro. The discretion getting too accurate. But I ain't gonna let myself get big headed, bro. That's another thing, bro. I ain't gonna let myself get big headed just because I called it out. Bro, who is texting my cellular device, fam? I'm weak, bro. I oh my gosh, bro. I just saw some crazy shit, dude. Okay. Anyways. Oh shit. Am I not on my chart? Where's my chart at? Where's my chart? Oh, there we go. All right. So yeah, bro, low key, we took out this 27640 as I speculated we would, but we starting to see a little bit of consolidation. Low key, it's like, do I want to tape read, chat? Do I want to do I want to tape read, or like, do I want to tape read or what? I don't know. Or do I or do I just call it a day? Do I tape read or call it a day, chat? What do I do? What do I do, y'all? Do I tape read or what do I do, chat? Low key, I might just wrap it up here. I ain't gonna lie. Say screw it, y'all. But W trading day today. Stuck to my trading plan. Exercised that discipline. Exercised and implemented good de-risking habits. Trade ended up playing out, but it's like it's cool. It's cool. You can't have them all. You can't have them all, bro. You can't be Ash, bro. We can't catch them all, bro. I mean, but with that being said, I hope y'all have a wonderful rest of your Wednesday. Today is a great day to have a great day, so make sure you keep that in mind with every step forward that you take, bro. Go outside, stay hydrated. It's hot as shit, so I mean, definitely stay hydrated if you outside. For my boy Chris, definitely get them electrolytes because you be working on them railroads, bro. We don't need you falling out on the railroads, twin. No cap. So but for the rest of y'all boys and gals, love y'all, appreciate y'all joining up on the stream. And I will see y'all. Fuck, today's Wednesday. I will see y'all Friday because I will be on Twitch tomorrow. Peace.